Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are going to be building this, which is the Perseverance Mars rover. This, if you're watching the premiere, is literally going through maximum deceleration right now in attempts for its landing. So hopefully it'll look like this in a few hours, but I honestly don't know yet because I'm filming this the day before. But we'll find out if it goes successfully tomorrow. As you can see, it is literally just spaced coal blocks with, it's coal block, gap, coal block, gap, coal block. And there is a 3-block gap between the two treads. So that shouldn't be too complicated. And they are gassed tiers in the item frames. So once you've got that on, you just need to get your... I think we do the iron trapdoors next, yep. Put the iron trapdoors on. Just on the 3 middle things, so from the stair to that front fence gate. So, you're going to need to crouch to put it on the fence gate, obviously. Also, just to let you know, my Typhoon tutorial will release Friday. Yes, this is Wednesday. Right, so we're putting slabs down. We start in line with the front fence and we go to the back and just fill it in solid with top slabs, and then do another layer, except on that front 3 don't put anything, and on that second to front left don't put anything because we're going to put something else there. Now on the back we put another slab, and that, to make it a solid block, that is the instrumentation hotbox where the basically nuclear generator goes. So 2 diorite stairs with a bone block on top. Make sure the round bit is forwards. You're gonna need to put a placeholder there to do that. Then put a black stone button on the front of that. Now you need, just don't worry about the daylight sensors messing with the things. Put a daylight sensor like that there, and then you need to put a fence gate, fence, and then below it a fence gate and another fence, I think. So if that confuses you, just watch this. So that pretty much does it for this. I was going to do the sky crane, but after trying to design it, I thought it was too difficult. Also, leave suggestions for the 40 subscriber special in the description, not in the description, in the comments. But other than that, that'll do it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.